Furniture Clinic. Make your leather like new. Effective and unique leather cleaning and restoration products from Europe come to the US. Furniture Clinic's Leather Recoloring Balm is one of our best-selling leather care products. Your couch and car interior can be like new in just a few simple steps. Furniture Clinic's best-selling Leather Recoloring Balm restores the color and texture to your scratched and faded leather. This proven formula is safe and easy to use. Like magic, it transforms your leather furniture and car interiors. Apply the balm to amazingly restore the color and softness like new. You have to see it to believe it. But don't just take our word for it. Furniture Clinic products have received over 1,000 5-star Trustpilot and Amazon reviews.
The product is excellent. My couch looks brand new after one application.
It's brilliant. It saved us $1,500. The seat and the arms on my chair were all old and worn. We were going to try and get a replacement, but we figured we'd give this a go first, and I'm so glad we did.
Furniture Clinic's Leather Recoloring Balm is also good for leather handbags, jackets, shoes, and more. Our Leather Recoloring Balm is available in 21 shades to match your leather.
Welcome to Furniture Clinic. In this video we're going to show you how to clean a leather sofa. To do this we'll be using the Leather Care Kit, which comes with 500ml of Leather Ultra Clean, 500ml of Leather Protection Cream and a sponge and cloth. This will be demonstrated on an old white leather sofa that has become very dirty with years of use, and unlike most leathers, the dirt has actually got deep into the grain, making it more difficult than normal to clean out. You can see just how dirty the seat cushion actually is when we compare it to an untouched part of the back cushion that hasn't seen any dirt since new. The back cushion shows the true white colour of leather, whereas the seating cushion looks much greyer and dirtier. To demonstrate the true effectiveness and cleaning power of Leather Ultra Clean, we're going to mask off a small square in the middle of the seating cushion and clean the leather within it. When we remove the tape, this will show just how clean we have made the leather, and you'll be amazed at how easy and quick it was to do. To clean the leather, we use Leather Ultra Clean, an award-winning leather cleaner due to its quick and easy method with outstanding results. Simply spray the cleaner into a sponge and squeeze with your hand. You can see how the cleaner quickly turns into a foam, which makes for a quicker, easier and more controllable method of cleaning leather. Rub the sponge into the leather in a circular motion to start to lift the dirt and grime from the leather surface. And as you can see, you don't need to apply much pressure when using the product, as the cleaner does all the hard work. When clean, wipe the excess foam off the leather to expose the new clean surface beneath. As we peel the tape off, you can see just how drastic the difference is where we have cleaned that small area. The cleaner has managed to remove not only the dirt from the surface of the leather, but also the dirt from within the grain. We now proceed to clean the rest of the cushion in the same way as before. This is done by rubbing the sponge into the leather in a circular motion. However, if your leather is very dirty, or you are a professional cleaner, you're best using our leather cleaning brush. Remember, Leather Ultra Clean contains no solvents or abrasives and so won't harm the leather in any way. This makes it suitable for use on all types and all colours of leather. Once the leather has been cleaned, it should then be protected. To do this, use the Leather Protection Cream. Squirt a little onto the cloth and rub it into the leather. As you can see, you only need to apply a small amount of product, as a little goes a long way. The protection cream works in 4 unique ways. Firstly, it conditions leather. The product contains a natural blend of oils and waxes to feed and nourish leather, helping prevent it from drying out, cracking and fading. Secondly, it helps repel stains. With added barrier protection technology, the protection cream helps the leather to repel all oil and water-based stains, retaining them on the surface so the leather can be easily wiped clean. Thirdly, it reduces wear and tear. When used, leather is abraded by clothing, which in the long term can cause cracking and peeling. The leather protection cream absorbs the abrasions, acting as a barrier between the leather and its contact. And finally, it contains UV inhibitors to help reduce sun fading and damage to leather exposed to extreme heat and sunlight. As you use the protection cream, you will also notice that it has the traditional smell of leather infused within it. This aroma is transferred into the leather as the product is applied, so you are left with a sofa that smells luxurious.